Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mikis Auto Tools. This channel is all about sharing affiliate marketing knowledge and helping you build powerful marketing systems on platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, and TikTok in the most effective way possible. In previous videos, I already showed you some AI tools that can create short-form AI videos automatically, as well as tools that help you build fan pages for Amazon and Alibaba affiliate marketing, right? So today, I'm going to show you how you can apply these tools to grow and scale your TikTok affiliate business. In this video, I'll give you an overview of our TikTok affiliate tool system and how it can support your TikTok marketing workflow. Before we get into the main content, let's roll the intro. Alright, first, let's open the software called MKT Tik Pro. The first feature is account management. Here, you can add and manage multiple TikTok accounts easily. Next is the video section. In this area, you can upload videos and let the system automatically post videos and attach product links or TikTok shop carts for you. The next feature is interaction, and this one is extremely important. This feature helps you warm up and grow your TikTok accounts naturally so they match your target audience. It can also help boost engagement for your live streams and videos, pushing them toward TikTok trends and increasing visibility. Next is the posting feature. Here you can upload videos, post videos with product links, schedule posts automatically, set posting calendars, review posting history. Then we have the seeding feature. After warming up your accounts, you can use this function to let supporting accounts interact with your main account automatically. This helps increase engagement, boost credibility, and push your videos and live streams to higher rankings on TikTok. Next is the follow feature. This allows you to auto-follow targeted users, follow by keyword, unfollow automatically. Then we have the messaging feature. This tool can automatically send messages to your customers directly on TikTok. Next is product management. If your TikTok account already has TikTok Shop or shopping cart access enabled, the software can scan and manage your products automatically. Please note that this feature only works for accounts that already qualify for TikTok Shop access. Next is the comment boosting feature. What does this do? This feature helps push your comments to the top of videos. For example, when you comment on your own video or someone else's video, the software can help increase engagement on that comment so more people will notice it immediately. Next is the account feature. This allows you to update and manage your TikTok account information, including login details and connected email accounts. Finally, we have the scan feature. This tool can scan comments and collect TikTok account data automatically. So overall, these are the main features inside our MKT Tik Pro software. This software helps you automate TikTok account growth, automatically upload and post videos, schedule content for weeks or even months in advance, save a huge amount of time, warm up TikTok accounts naturally, boost engagement and trends for your videos and live streams. You only need to focus on creating content, and the system will handle the automation for you. That's the overview of the software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next videos. See you in the next one.